I did see it, yeah. Go that way. Okay, stop. Okay, so I'm gonna stay here. And then you go down there onto the grass, turn around, and come back. But don't do a huge circle. Just go down there, turn around once, and then come straight back.
How will you follow?
I'm gonna follow you, but I can't keep up. What? No, just go straight. I'm back here, you're good. I'm here. Yeah, but so just so you know, stop. Hey, when you turn like that, you dig a hole. You'll see it when you're on your way back. So when you're turning, do it while you're moving. So you'll be pushing forward and then just turn the other one back and then you'll do like a turn. Okay. Hey, hey. What? Come on what? Come on the bucket?
Hold on.
Okay, okay, go.
Hold on tight.
Whoa.
This way you can...
Turn towards me a little bit. There you go. But you don't have to stop moving when you turn, is what I was trying to tell you. Yeah, there you go. See, and that doesn't dig a hole. But if you stop and only move one set of tires at a time, it digs a hole. So go on the grass. Whoa. That grass. Hold on, let me lift the bucket. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna shut this off. That's enough for YouTube, okay?